Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove shipping safety from Beko drying machine. To do this, first we'll need to open the doors, and depending on which side they are actually mounted, you'll be able to open them. In my case, they are from the left side, so I can just pull it towards myself, and that way I will open the doors. Now, first thing we'll need to do is find the shipping safety, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's right here on top, but inside the drum. So like right there, hopefully you can see it, I'm not sure. But all you have to do is just pull it downwards and remove the foil, and from that the drum should start rotating. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.